Alright guys, so I'm back in another video. You can still tell I'm still up north. I will be up north basically all summer until I leave for the army and all that fun stuff. So this is part 2 of the Buggy, disassemble, build, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know if you saw it last time because it was getting dark. Took the exhaust system off, took the top of the frame off. So I got the gas tank off. That's the first thing I did. So this is what it looks like now. I tried cutting here, but I couldn't get it in the back. Just a little bit piece. Took the wiring off. Took most of the bullshit BS off that I don't need. So the problem with this was the whole electrical system was totally fucked up. Just totally like, why in the hell did you even do this crap? And the carb doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is get like a street bike engine or something over 450, maybe even 500 or 600. So if it's a street bike engine, I'm definitely going with CBR, like a CBR 600, a Gixxer, or even the Yamaha or a Suzuki, whatever. So that's what I want to do. So what I'm doing now is disassembling the stuff that I don't need, which is the whole engine. So what I'm going to figure out is how to take the engine out, which means I am going to have to get underneath, probably figure out where the bolts are at for this frame, then take it out in some way. Probably have to cut more of this out, at least this back half, so I'm able to angle it out. So something like that. So yeah. So that's what I'll be doing. I need to get under there first and then see what I need to get. Like, is it a Phillips, screwdriver, or whatever, flathead, whatever, a hex. So that's what I will be doing. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, you know what, screw it. Well, where's the cardboard? I had a piece of cardboard over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. I don't know how it got over there. Hold on. There you go. I got rained on for sure. Well, felt some rain. Yep, definitely thunder. Alright. So, you know what, let's take this off since this isn't coming off. Buggy. There you go. There. And I think it's sprinkling. Yeah, it is. So I at least need to hurry up and figure this out. part is getting underneath here. Okay, I guess they're side mounted, not underneath like some bikes are. I think. Now there's one. Let's move this PFI thing. So there's one right there. And right there. There's that one. And there's the other one. So this is a through bolt. So that should be about it. Oh, there's oil. Yeah, great. Good thing that thing didn't catch on fire when I was cutting it. That would have been really bad. I don't care. I got jeans on. They're dirty. So what is that? Half? 15. So I will be getting the bolts. Well, whatever it's called. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna have to put you guys away. It's pouring down now, sort of. And I don't have the waterproof case with me. I mean, I have the waterproof case, just not the back piece. So, I'm gonna keep working on it, at least get the mounts out, then come back later, see how long it'll take or something, unless it keeps storming. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. And yes, I am wearing a blanket, but hey, keeps me dry and pretty damn warm. I'm already getting hot. Alright, see you guys in a bit, hopefully. Alright, hey guys, so this is about as far as I could get because it's just coming down now, and I used the blanket to just throw over the buggy while I was working on it, and it's soaking. The rain was just dripping through. I was out there for maybe another 10 minutes after the last. When I came back over here, there were, say guys, in the dry area because I don't have the waterproof backing on it, so you guys could hear me. That's the reason why I didn't have the waterproof back on. And well, I don't know if you can tell over there, but the edge of Strawberry heading down to Pine, it's pouring right down over there. So I think I got all the motor mounts out, all the bolts off. I just need to cut some more, at least the back half of the frame, so that maybe we'll just like lift it out. So the engine's like this currently, and I need to go that way. so that I'm able to get it out or something like that. So yeah, that's the plan so far. So tomorrow, hopefully when I get off work or whatever the plan is, if it's not raining, I will cut some more probably, and maybe figure out a way to take it out, the engine out. So in other words, that's basically the rest of this video. And I was only out there for probably like 20 minutes total, unlike yesterday, last night, or the night before I should say. I was out here for at least 4 hours taking stuff off, cutting some stuff, figuring out what to take off, all that jazz. So in other words, hope you guys like the video. In other words, and if you're new, like it, subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Comment along and comment also. See what you want to see more or whatever. So yeah, see you guys later in the next video. Later.